Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to adjust the font size for mobile devices in Elementor WordPress website. Here you can see this one is the font size for desktop device. So if I go here and inspect, now this one is for the mobile devices. Let's see how we can fix out this one. Simply you can go and click on edit with Elementor. After that, Elementor page builder is loading. So this one is the heading element. Simply you can go and click here. After that, here you can see this one is responsive settings. You can go and click here. Then let me expand, and after that, here you can click on heading element, then go to style tab and typography. After that, here you can select mobile element if not selected. Then let me add here 40 for the tab. I want to add 55. Okay, for the desktop it is 72. And let me align the heading in the center. Also for the mobile devices, here you can see it is aligned in the center. Then click on publish button. Now let's see how it looks on mobile devices. If I go here and again inspect, now it is looking much better.